Hey everyone, my name is Jean and I teach the Artistic Paint Techniques class, and this is our newest class and it's going to be on blending techniques. We're going to be doing subtle colors that blend together. Typically you can blend 3 colors, but you can do 2 colors or even more. And then also on a piece that would have more variety of trim, then you can do a lot with shading with waxes. And then in addition to that, you can also do gilding waxes, different metallic paints. You can get very creative with it. This is an example of when you have more trim on a piece of furniture, and then you can really create those shading areas with the dark wax, the black wax, even subtle colors that might be a little bit darker. Like on this piece I used a little bit of like a darker green. It's so subtle in the way that the colors blend that you almost think it's one color, but this one actually has 3 colors. This kind of technique is great for pieces that does have the trim, or a piece like this that has a large area so that you can create the different sections that subtly then have that transient color. But dressers, cabinets are good pieces to do. This is a kind of piece that sometimes is intimidating. But once you learn how to do it, it's actually quite fun and easy to do. It's by using a couple different types of brushes and some misting with some water. It's super easy to do, but it is more in our advanced class. You basically would need to know how to do the basic techniques of doing the introduction and learning how to paint with the matte style paint. But then once you do that, it's super fun to start blending and creating these new looks. And no 2 are exactly the same. I hope you join us for our next Artistic Paint Techniques class on learning how to blend, and hope to see you soon.